When you feel like giving up, don't.
Oh my god.
No. No. No.
Ma'am, that's my breakfast. Oh, no! Oh!
When I'm not teaching, I love to hang out with my friends. Sophie!
Ты что сделал?
Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
How did you get up there? What happened?
Oh god. Oh god.
Är du fan i... Idiotkatt!
You can do it. I'm just trying to teach you how to right where to aim at. Get off of the car. Get off. Off.
Now what?
Самый нерешительный кот вообще на свете. Все, я устал.
Look at this baby. Do you want some? Oh, that's the whole thing. Okay.
I mean, look at the vibrations.
Mano, amor, olha o que o gato fez, velho. The cat in?
Bottom right.
Oh, there she is.
Oh god. Wait, grab Skittles! Mom!
So it's an interactive little scavenger game for the cats. So yeah, it's called a little boink. Oh.
Found a video for cats. Oh, okay, I guess they like the video.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Okay, Cotton.
Are you kidding me?
Billy, my cinnamon toast crunch baby, I present to you my newest purchase, eggs. Are you not phased? It's revolution.
Meow. 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 Ah, Doric. Meow. Meow.
Your bed is here, and there's no need for you to be in.
What do you want? I'm giving you all the attention I could possibly give you.
Here comes the girl. Hello, girl. Welcome.
Just wish someone loved me as much as my cat. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Can I have another? Thank you.
Mom.